Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I have found my favorite new perfect little black dress. Some things about it that have made me completely obsessed are number one, how flattering it is. So it has this really nice smocked detail with elastic around the waist area, and it comes up just below your bust, and it really helps to accentuate your curves in all the right places. Secondly, I love the length on this. It comes to about mid-calf, but because the zipper actually comes up above the knee, it gives it a really nice modern look without looking frumpy. Thirdly, I'm in love with the shape on the top of this. It has a little bit of a stand-up collar look in the back and then comes to a nice deep V without being revealing. Plus there's a little bit of padding on the shoulders to give it a nice lift, a really good shape without making you look like a football player. So I got the size medium, which is the size I would normally wear. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and I would say this is a little bit on the large size. So if you're looking for something roomy, then go with what you would normally wear. But if you want something that's going to be more on the fitted size, I would size down. Tomosc has other colors to choose from in this dress, and again, I just absolutely love it. I think that you're going to love it too, and that's my point of view.